Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create double exposure effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first thing first, we need to add white background to our video. If you want to add white background, you can go to the stock material and just search for white background. Okay, and I'm gonna select this white background, and then we can add our video to this timeline. You can go back to device and import the video and the background you want to use to create double exposure effect. I have imported my videos and I'm going to add it to my timeline, and I'm going to put it on the second layer like this. And I'm gonna extend this white background so it will align with my video. Okay, and remove the background of your video. Tap on your video and go to the remove section, select auto removal. Okay, and you can go to the adjustment, and here you can go to the curves and you can drag this white curve, drag it to the right like this until it's black. Okay, and then you can add the background you want to use. I'm just going to add this background to my timeline. I'm going to put it in the third layer and I'm going to drag it like this. Extend this background to make it align with my video. We can go to video and we can go to basic and just blend the video. You can select screen. Okay, and after that you can add your video again to your timeline, put it on the fourth layer, and you can go to the mask, go to select horizontal mask. Okay, and you can adjust it until the double exposure is created. Okay, like this guys. Okay, once you're satisfied with the result, you can save it to your device. And before I save it, I'm going to take a look at the preview. This is the final result guys. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can create double exposure effect in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.